aboard Monorail. Our next stop will be the Transportation and Ticket Center. I was told by Disney Polynesian. If you're standing, you can hold on to those silver handrails. It'll never leave our toes out of the
If you've just joined us, welcome aboard. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and please clear the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Our next stop will be the Transportation and Ticket Center, which includes Magic Kingdom Car and Bus Parking. To the right is Disney-created 7-Seas Lagoon. To the left is Bay Lake. Nestled on the shores of Bay Lake are Disney's Sport Wilderness Resort and Campground and Disney's Wilderness Lodge, home to Copper Creek Villas and Cabins. One of the newest additions to the Disney Vacation Club, Midnight Village Retreat, features the luxe waterfront villas and cabins that combine the wonders of the Great Wilderness with the modern comforts of home.
What's that about?
We're approaching the Transportation and Ticket Center, which includes Magic Kingdom Car and Bus Parking. If you're traveling to Epcot, please exit here and follow the overhead directional signs. If you're listening, please hold on to the handrail and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops and the doors open. If this concludes your visit to the Walt Disney World Resort, we hope you've had a wonderful time and return home safely. This is the Transportation and Ticket Center. Our next stop is Disney Polynesian Village Resort, with continuing service to Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa and the Magic Kingdom. Please remember to collect your belongings and take young children by the hand. As you exit, please lower your head and watch your step. Thank you. When boarding, please move all the way across your car to make room for everyone. Kindly offer available seats to those needing special assistance. If you're standing, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors. They'll be closing in a moment. Thank you. As you board, please continue moving across your car to make room for everyone. Please offer available seats to those needing special assistance. If you're standing, please hold on to the handrail and stay clear of the doors. The monorail will depart momentarily. Thank you.
That is so cute. I gotta print that out now.
Bundy's coming down tomorrow. Bundy's coming down to Disney tomorrow. Usually they go a little before us, but they stuck out a little after us. Or they go and miss the first day of school. But yeah. Is he going? Well, no, because they went. He's going in the 6th, so that's not good for next Friday. Yeah, but because they're both elementary school and middle school, they don't start till the Friday like him, so they can be down here a lot later. Yeah. Those start at 11, right?
Our colony got Thought we were going to the colony then.
Next stop.
morning, everyone. Welcome aboard Monorail Coral. Our next stop will be Disney Polynesian Resort, followed by Disney's Grand Floridian Stormy Stop. If you're standing, please don't let us over handrails and never ring against the southern airport. Welcome aboard.
To those guests who joined us, welcome. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and remain clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you. We are traveling to Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. Inside the first ceremonial house, you'll find shopping and dining with a thousand pleasure. We are now stopping at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrail and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely. For those of you remaining on board, our next stop is Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, with continuing service to the Magic Kingdom and Disney's Contemporary Resort. Thank you. This is Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. Please watch your head and step as you exit and take small children by the hand. Thank you. If there are guests waiting to board, please move across your car to make room for everyone. And kindly offer available seats to those. Please remember to collect your belongings and take young children by the hand. As you exit, please lower your head and watch your step. Thank you. When boarding, please move all the way across your car to make room for everyone. Kindly offer available seating to those needing special assistance. If you're standing, please hold on to the handrail and stay clear of the doors. They'll be closing in a moment. Thank you. As you board, please continue moving across your car to make room for everyone. Please offer available seating to those needing special assistance. If you're standing, please hold on to the handrail and stay clear of the doors. The monorail will depart momentarily. Thank you. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrail and stay clear of the doors. They will be closing in a moment. Thank you. Please continue moving across your car and make room for everyone. If you're standing, please hold on to the handrail and stay clear of the doors. The monorail will depart momentarily. Thank you.
Saturday, that's going to be the killer ship. I mean, it's good for 9 hours.
This is all it is. This is all it is. It's not scary, I promise.
I know, I didn't want it.
Well, Tommy knows the whole time.
There is somebody who's on vacation, like, technically needed on our stuff, but with the left Myrtle Beach today after us. And I was like, you never told me that would entire way that I had to, like, I said, I thought this trip was last September. Long before I ever started working again.
No, we can't get off, baby. Just hold mommy. Baby, it's okay. Alright, here we go. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Mommy's gonna hold you, okay? Do you want to show mommy your cars? Do you want to show me your cars? We can find like, can we find like a queen? Do you want to look at pictures with me? Maybe we can. Do you want to look at pictures with me?
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome aboard Monorail. Our next stop is Disney Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, followed by the We are now stopping at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort a Victorian-style hotel offering the modern convenience of a full-service spa and health bar.
That was fun, huh?
Please hold on to the handle.
Was that a fun ride?
Take clear of the doors until the monorail stops.
Yeah, we can do it again.
This is Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. Our next stop is the Magic Kingdom, with continued service to Disney's contemporary resort and the transportation to the country.
What is that? What are those things?
Please remember to collect your belongings and take them to the building on the hand. As you exit, is water. Thank you. When boarding, please move all the way across the car. There's room for everyone. Hunting on for available seats. Those
They get tired and then they lose
your
it over something stupid.
please hold on to the handrails.
Been there.
They'll be closing in a moment. Thank you.
6 kids.
As you board, please continue moving across the car to make room for everyone. Please offer available
But there's like Disney time. You know what I mean? They get Disney stop after a couple days. Like if they don't understand it, they're not getting enough sleep. Their sleep's all thrown off, different hours, different.
Thank you.
Overstimulation too. It's a lot. A lot of walking. Even with the strollers, they still try to walk sometimes, and it's just too much.
Far away.
Yeah. It's just too much sometimes.
For everybody, it's too much.
We were just in our room for a couple hours because we all needed it. We all needed to. Yeah. Some were napping, some were just laying down chilling. Yeah. We just need to stop for a little bit.
What are you doing?
afternoon, everyone. Welcome aboard Monorail Monorail. Our next stop will be the Magic Kingdom, followed by Disney's Contemporary Resort. Standing please roll on the handrails and never leaving us to our back door.
To those guests who just joined us, welcome. Our next stop is the Magic Kingdom. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Approaching our station at the entrance to Main Street, USA. Gateway, leading up steam lines of the Magic Kingdom. Smoking is not permitted in the Magic Kingdom, except in the designated area outside the Monorail. If you are exiting, please hold onto the handrail and stand clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely and the door opens. For those of you remaining on board, our next stop will be Disney's Contemporary Resort, with continued service to the transportation and ticket center, and Disney's Monorail Resort. If you're traveling to any other Walt Disney World Resort hotel, buses and watercraft report from the station. If you are traveling to Epcot, please remain on board. You'll need to change monorail just 2 stops away at the transportation and ticket center.